Hi, today we're talking about Fiskars hand cultivator. It's got an ergonomic handle to feel very good, and we use it to break up the soil if it's tough, maybe get weeds out. So it's a good versatile tool for your garden. Pretty simple. So let's use it here. No more weed. So if you would like one of these hand cultivators, comment below. We'll be picking one of the commenters in next Friday's video and giving away one of these cultivators. See how well it breaks it up? And the handle feels good too. And now to look at last week's winner. All right, we're going to enter the video here and see who won. Looks like Darlene Jones Nelson, who said, "I just thought I was doing something wrong with my strawberry plants. Thank you for this information." So congratulations, Darlene. Please email gardening@bestgardenchannel.com. Again, that's gardening@bestgardenchannel.com, and we'll get you your Sluggo Plus.